Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress site. First, let's outline the essential steps. Building a website can seem daunting, but with a clear plan, it's quite manageable. We'll cover everything from choosing your domain to launching your site. Think about what you want your site to achieve and who you want to reach. This initial planning saves a lot of time later on. Next, you'll need a home for your website, which is called web hosting. There are many excellent providers, often costing around $5 to $10 per month. Simultaneously, pick a memorable domain name like yourbusiness.com. This is your website's address on the internet. Many hosting companies make it super easy to register a domain and set up WordPress with just a few clicks. Once your hosting and domain are ready, it's time to install WordPress. Most hosts provide a simple one-click installation process, making it incredibly straightforward. After installation, you'll select a theme, which is like your website's design template. There are thousands of free and premium themes available. Spend some time customizing it to match your brand, adjusting colors, fonts, and overall layout. Now, populate your site with engaging content, including your About Us page, services, and blog posts. Consider adding plugins for features like contact forms, search engine optimization, or enhanced security. There are tens of thousands of plugins, many of them free. Before launching, meticulously check all links and ensure everything looks perfect. Once you are satisfied, it's time to share your new WordPress site with the world.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.